Ssilebu ni ègé ọ̀rọ̀ tí èémí lè gbé jáde lẹ́ẹ̀kan ṣoṣo. Now that's the Yoruba definition of syllable, and it's very similar to what syllable is in English as well. Let me joggle your memory a little bit. In English, a syllable is a unit of pronunciation having one vowel sound, with or without surrounding consonants, forming the whole of or a part of a word. For example, there are 2 syllables in water and 3 in inferno. Hi, my name is Daniel Sonia. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I spread the Yoruba vibe one viewer at a time. Alright, so today we're going to be talking about syllables. Ssilebu is one of the most important parts of Yoruba word speaking and writing as well. In fact, it is one of the first things you apply when you see a Yoruba word and you want to apply amion. For those who are new to my channel, welcome once again. I have a video on amion, which is Yoruba tone marks. If you haven't seen that video, I'm going to advise you to watch the video. I've put a link somewhere on the screen for you to click on and go watch it. Now, I'm going to work through some words with different level of syllables, and I'm going to put them on the screen. So the first thing I want you to do when you see the word is first pause the video, try to determine the number of syllables in that word, see if you can find out, and then you can then play the video and see if that's actually the right thing, if you actually got it. All right, so the first word I'm going to put on my screen is awo. Awo, as you can see. Now I want you to pause the video. Welcome back. So, did you get the number of syllables in awo? Beautiful. If you got it right, there are 2 syllables in awo. As you've noticed, only on each of the syllables and on the vowels of the syllables, that's where the tone marks rest. Awo. Awo means plate in Yoruba, and it has 2 syllables. Do, re. All right, I'm going to give you another example. This is going to have another number of syllables as well. And the example is akpoti. Akpoti. I want you to pause the video right now also and try to figure out the number of syllables in akpoti. All right, good. Did you get the number of syllables? Right. There are 3 syllables in akpoti. Akpoti. Do, mi, mi. Now, if you've also noticed, these syllables each carry a tone mark on their vowels. A, bo, ti. You see the A, the O, and the E all carry a tone mark. I'm going to also give you the third one, which has a different number of syllables, and I also want you to pause the video to find out the number of syllables. Now, this word is alagbato. Alagbato. Let's see if you can get the number of syllables in alagbato. Beautiful. Did you get that? All right. Alagbato has 4 syllables. Re, mi, do, mi. Re, mi, do, mi. And the same way, you also notice that it's the vowels that carry the tone marks. For those who haven't seen my video on faweli, aromokpe, faweli, aromokpe on the vowel sounds, you can click the link. I've attached the link to that video. Go watch it so that you can also understand how many vowels we have in Yoruba and the Yoruba alphabet in general. All right, so this is how you apply syllables, and this is how you also apply amion using the number of syllables in a particular word. I hope this has been able to help you. For those who haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please remember to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can know that it's helpful and also recommend to people. This has been another beautiful session with you, and I hope to see you another time. Ireo.